Mayong adlaw sa inyo tanan and welcome to Iloilo, the home of the Dinigang Festival. I'm Sige and I'm going to take you on a tour. Ang Iloilo ay kilala sa aming mga old houses, old churches, and of course, ang aming mga masasarap na pagkain. Tara! Hello! Andito tayo ngayon sa Roberto's. Ang Roberto's ay isa sa pinakasikat na restaurants dito sa Iloilo. And did you know na ang Roberto's is already turning 42 kasi it was established in 1978. Tara, pasok tayo! So maswerte tayo that we came in very early today kasi wala masyadong pila. We ordered ang pinaka-best-selling na mga food dito sa Roberto's. Of course, we have the meatballs, eto lumpia Shanghai, pansit gasado, their cheeseburger, at ang pinaka-favorite ng lahat is the Queen Siopaw. Eto trivia lang. Alam niyo ba before, ang Queen Siopaw ng Roberto's was available lang during Thursdays. Kaya lang because of the demand, they had to make it every day. So eto, guys, kain tayo. Isa sa mga breakfast staples ng mga Ilonggos ay ang pandesal galing sa panaderya ni Paa, which is perfect sa kahit anong palaman or minsan masarap din siya together with kape. Ang panaderya ni Paa ay itinayo ni Uy Pa noong 1896 and this is considered as pre-war pandesal. Make your day extra happy with the Caffeine Fix dito sa La Paz Public Market sa Madge Cafe. Alam niyo ba lang Madge Cafe, nag-start na mag-operate since 1940? Tara, pasok tayo! They serve coffee with beans sourced from local farmers. There's more to Madge than just coffee. They also serve breads and cakes at lahat ng mga fresh produce na makikita mo sa La Paz Public Market, pwede mong dalhin sa Madge. That's why paborito siyang puntahan ng lahat ng Ilonggos from all walks of life. We are here at Netong's Original Special La Paz Batchoy in La Paz Public Market. Ang batchoy ay gawa sa pork intestines, liver, bone marrow, garlic, and may choice ka kung anong noodles ang gusto mong gamitin with your batchoy. It could be bihon, miswa, sotanghon, or Miki noodles. What I like about Netong's is unlimited ang kaldo, ang garlic, at ang chicharon. No Ilonggo food trip will ever be complete without fresh seafood and sugba. Now I'm taking you here sa Breakthrough in Villa Beach, Arevalo, where the seafoods are always fresh and the food is always namit. Breakthrough was first established in 1987 sa kanilang Lopez Arcade branch. Now, we are here at their Villa Beach branch, which was established in 1990. Yung kanilang mga best sellers are grilled managat, baked scallops, kinilaw na tangige, sizzling crab meat, which are all best paired with aligi rice. Other favorites dito sa Breakthrough are ang kanilang Valenciana, which will remind you of your mom's cooking sa sobrang sarap. They have bagungon with gata, and yung seasonal na kamantaha, which is also known as mantis shrimp. Ilonggos love sabaw. Other than batchoy, we also love kansi. Kansi is slow-cooked beef and bone marrow na pwedeng kainin as is or iulam sa kanin. Now we are here at Patpats, which opened their doors to the Ilonggos noong 1990s in their old branch sa E. Lopez, Haro. And right now, nandito na sila sa Seminario Road, Haro, Iloilo City. Isa sa pinakasikat na bilihan ng pasalubong dito sa Iloilo is found in the Molo area, which is Panaderia de Molo that was established by the Hason sisters in 1872. Sikat sila sa hojaldres at galletas, which is handmade and processed the traditional way.
So here in Panaderia de Molo, we have hojaldres, galletas, bañadas, principe, broas, rosquetes, kinamunsil, bizcocho, and more.
Never leave Iloilo without stopping by sa Bizcocho House. Ang Bizcocho House ay matatagpuan dito malapit sa Haro Plaza in Iloilo City. Ito'y sikat na bilihan ng mga pasalubong gaya ng bizcocho, butterscotch at toasted mamon na paboritong-paborito ng mga turista.
Our best sellers are obviously bizcocho and butterscotch. But aside from those two, we also have other tasty offerings like galletas, toasted mamon. We also have the garlic toast, the butter toast, barquillos, an Iloilo original pinasubo, and we also have piaya and polvoron and many others.
So that sums up our Iloilo food trip, where everything is manamit and everything is barato and there's always something for everyone. Balik ka mo diha, kag magkaon ta, Iloilo!